What's up, YouTube? Hope you're all doing good today. Looks like Chainlink is making some moves. Looks like the whole altcoin market is making moves. Ethereum touched $1,000 today. We'll see what it does for the coming days, but I think this is looking good for altcoins so far. But today we're looking at Chainlink, and I just wanted to go over quarterly time frames for this asset. It's pretty interesting. After drawing out all these lines, that there's some correlation between the end and beginning of each quarter, tracing all the way back to 2019. So let's get started. You can see here, this is end of Q1 2019, and you're starting to see some price movements, right? We come all the way up. This was in summer of 2019 when Google announced their association with Chainlink, and that drove the price up. And we get to the end of Q2, we come back down. Beginning of Q3, come back up, hit this red line on the pitchfork, come back down, and then we're getting into, what is this? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, right? So Q4 we come back down. Then at the end of Q4, beginning of Q1 2020, we come up. We have the you-know-what crash here. And that's, you can argue this, but this could be argued as artificial panic selling, so I should say. But nevertheless, it's still there, and I try to take into account of this movement right here. And let's see, we get to Q1, end of Q1, we start making a turnaround. We come up, and beginning of, what is this? Okay, beginning of Q3, we break out. We break out of the $5 curse, and we go to all-time highs again. Hit $20.11 according to Binance. This is a Binance chart, I should mention. And yeah, so we come up. Halfway through the quarter, we start coming back down. Boom. What is this? Q4 of 2020. Come up, come down. Boom. It's 2021, Q1. Look what's happening. Coming up. One other thing to note. Now this is on a weekly time frame, as I should say. I have this trend line drawn from basically right around April 2019, and I just kind of ran it up, kind of really disregarded this crash right here. And, as you can see, the price kind of respects it. As you can see, we come below it, come above, whatever. This trend line isn't as accurate as it should be, but we want way below this. I have this descending triangle drawn out. We might break out soon. Probably will break out. Chainlink's been underperforming the past few weeks against basically everything else. So I think right now we're seeing a lot of turnaround. So yeah, we'll see what happens in end of Q1. I'll give you guys an update. I'll make another video to let you know. And yeah, I think this is worth taking into an account of how the cycles work between each quarter. So yeah. Oh yeah, I have some price targets laid out for the future. So I honestly think Chainlink might double top on the $20 like it did back here. It might not. It really depends on what Bitcoin's doing right now. As we're making this video, Bitcoin's hovering just above $33,000 per. So we'll see what happens. I think Chainlink will get to $50 for 2021. I think we could see a bubble for Chainlink that I don't know if it will hit $137, but I think it's pretty safe to assume that Chainlink can hit $100 in a bubble type fashion. before coming back down to the $50 area. Um, and yeah, and then so on and so forth for the years to come. But this is too far out to really predict accurately. I don't even think I'm predicting this accurately right now, but I draw these meme lines just to get a good idea of where we're at in the markets, and I try to take everything into an account. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a good first quarter for Chainlink in 2021. Um, and I think for the rest of the year we're gonna have pretty good gains. So yeah, hold your Chainlink, don't sell it, don't trade it. Um, a real Link Marine doesn't sell. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to be making more videos soon. Bye.